In Tuplo Studio, orders help you track sales, process payments, ship products, and more. To create a new order, open the Navigator window and select the Orders tab. From there, choose More Options, then New Order, and fill out the billing and shipping details. If the billing and delivery addresses are the same, you can click Copy Billing Info to speed up this step. Once the information is entered, click Add to create the order. Alternatively, if your customer has an account with you, go to the Customers tab, select the customer, and choose More Options, Add Order. You can also use Shift-Command-A to quickly create an order using their saved information. The order is managed in the Order Detail window. You can add products by entering product IDs or scanning barcodes, selecting the appropriate retail or online price, and clicking Add. Payments are processed by clicking Add Payment and entering the required information in the pop-up window. Shipping and fraud management are also handled in Orders, and we'll explore both features in more detail in other videos. Now you know how to create new orders in Tuplo Studio.